Hello everyone, Tech Review is back, and today's video is about how to fix a disk space bar missing in Windows computer. You may have Windows 10, Windows 11 or other Windows operating system, but your disk space bar is missing when you try to open. Let's open here the File Explorer, and when you click this PC and you missed your disk space bar in the File Explorer. So we are going to use two methods in order to get back the missing disk space. So the first one is go on the top and click View, and after that you will find here Tiles option. So select the Tiles option and you will get missing disk space bar. And if this solution cannot help you to solve the missing disk space bar, then the second step would be click on here on the search icon and type here File Explorer. So here we type File Explorer and you will find here File Explorer options. Select on that and click View. Then after that you will find here you can apply this view such as details or icons to all folder of this type with which says reset folders. So select reset folder. And do you want to reset all the folder of these tabs to the default view settings? Then select here yes, click here apply and select OK. So after that you can check your disk space bar would appear on your File Explorer. So these are the methods on how you can fix the disk space bar missing on your Windows computer. And if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe, share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Tech Review out.